Hello, this is a chicken farm. Here we have layers chicken. Here we have this very nice system here. You can see there is these cages, and when the chicken lay eggs, the eggs come through here, and we collect. And also this on top here is a water pipe that the chicken consume their water from this point. You can see. I don't know if I can find. Oh, this one is taking water right now. Yes, you see, very nice. And as you can see the source of water. It's actually a cistern. It's like the one you have in your toilets and all that. Yeah, so I can see the whole farm. This is one section, very nice. With these cages, everything is clean. You can see down here, we are collecting the manure and all that. So the area is just nice and clean. You can see here we have buckets, which we put the water and the supplements here. It's a nice place. Yeah, that was a short tour of one of the chicken farms. And in one cage like this one, so one section has how many? It has 4 chicken. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. Same on these sides. Yeah, and so when they lay, the eggs go in front. This side, how many? They also have 4. I think it's a bit crowded, but it's what works for us right now. So yeah.